So we're live. All right. Okay, so we're doing the same thing that we did. So do you know what's going on? Do you think the jig would be better or not?
I don't like what you were doing. It looked weird.
The jig?
Yeah.
Because the problem here is that if you just put this on here, you got to get it really aligned. And then I don't know if you want to tape it down or how you're planning to get the pad. Because the thing is, when you're scraping this across, this thing is going to shift. And this bottom thing, because
Well, where's the tape?
the tape's in here. So we have 4 different sizes of tape. So you can use whichever tape you prefer.
Okay. Am I supposed to cut this, or like, why isn't it?
Yeah, I
coming
know
down?
it's weird.
Yeah.
Go the other way. Yeah, I think you can cut it.
How do I cut this?
Did I
What?
cut it?
This is too hard.
That's a good question. I don't remember how I cut it.
Well, why don't you just grab scissors?
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I did use scissors. I forgot. I used my little Leatherman scissors. If you want smaller scissors, I have some smaller scissors. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah. All
This
right.
tape doesn't stick well.
It doesn't.
No.
Let's see. What kind of tape can I use?
Scotch tape.
Isn't that the blue tape?
No, it's painter's tape.
Oh. Which one's Scotch tape? Is it
The
it's
clear
the clear
one.
one? I have some of that, but it's super thick. I don't have any thin stuff. You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what I did is when wait, I forgot to get paper towels. I'm gonna use some paper towels because you're gonna need it when this time comes. I know you won't, but be careful not to pry anything with those toothpicks or these tweezers because they're my dad. You get really mad.
Okay. Where's your guidance Florida?
No, not yet.
Okay.
All right, cool. And then, yeah, perfect. You did it perfectly. And then what I did is I taped the stencil down too because
Yeah.
otherwise it moves too much.
This good.
That looks perfect. That looks dead on. Very good. The tricky. Do you want me to hold it down while you do the tape?
No.
Okay.
Not yet.
I'm gonna move this camera. That looks really good.
No, the bird's still showing. I know I am.
What?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You seem taller. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you how to dispense the solder paste. I think you could figure it out. It's not very complicated.
Are you sure it's on there, right?
Yes.
I feel like it's kind of. And maybe it just.
What you need to make sure is that you really
Yeah.
get because see how it's bowed
Yeah,
up
yeah.
quite significantly. So I would just hold it like
In position, yeah, I understand.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, because see, this is more bent than because that was the advantage of these is they're the same thickness, so that when you tape it, it doesn't bow as much. But we will.
So do you want me to do that?
No. I think this will work as
Well,
long
that
as you
could
hold
just
it
be
down.
pretty simple. Let me just do it.
Right. You know what you could do? Yeah, just slide them under. Oh, that's actually, you know what? That's what they do professionally. Is they do that. Okay. I don't even think you need to tape them, right?
Hold on, can I
Oh,
see,
yeah.
please?
Sorry. You're right. Is that any better?
Kind of the same, but
Yeah.
it should be easier for me to hold.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Because if I held it on the side.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so.
All right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here. You're gonna squeeze a dollop onto the parts you need it, and just try to get an even coat, and really not over apply. I don't know. I've only done this once, so I don't really know how much is too much.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm just squeezing it out.
Okay.
See, so that's what you do. Is you squeeze it out. You can actually, and what you can do is you can use these applicators if you want, but since you're going to be using this, I don't know if you need it. But feel free to put on the applicator if you want it.
Okay, so you want me to do a dollop across?
Yeah, something like that, and then just and probably what you'll need to do, what I had to do is it would gum up on here, and then I'd like go like this, and then I'd get another glob, and I would just.
So you don't know how much is the correct amount?
No, I don't really know, but
It's not even coming through.
is it not?
Oh, no, it is. More than that?
Yeah. What? Wait, this is a great looking shot. Let me look at it on my phone.
Can I just go for it and then add more if I need
Absolutely,
it?
yes, totally. That's what I did.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna need way more. Okay. I mean, I'm glad I just did a little bit just so I could see
Yeah.
how much is needed.
How it distributes.
I guess I didn't need this needle then.
Can I just touch on it?
What are you doing?
No, it's just from this angle, it looks like the pads aren't, but I think from up straight up, yeah, okay, yeah, they're good, they're good.
Yeah, no, I noticed what you're saying because I was looking at the camera and
Yeah,
it's not
yeah,
yet the green was
exactly, yeah.
showing.
I think that's just a artifact. of the angles. Yeah, I see. That's what I was. Oh, that's plenty. That's plenty. Because likely what you'll see when you pull it off for the first time. Luckily, I really like the way you taped it because it'll be easy to Oh, you can reuse that stuff.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. But I'm just saying, like, um,
Is that good?
yeah, pull it up from one side.
Oh.
Oh no, the tape broke.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on. Your hand is okay. Holy shit! Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like 1,000 times better than I did it. Wow, that's perfect. Man, you don't need me for shit. All right, so now I'll show you what's next. That is really good though. So here's what you're gonna do. First, you're just gonna wipe this down with some paper towels so that it's clean, and be careful not to wipe or touch the PCB at all. Obviously. Um, wow, that is so good. So what I had to do, just in case you're curious, so I had a bunch of cross like the pads were overlapping, right? So there was solder bridging them, and that will break the circuit, right? Because you can't have the pads touching, otherwise the circuit is different, right? Because energy will or electricity will flow through. So what I did is I sat there with a toothpick and I just went doot 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 doot,
Oh.
and so that I could like
You
get
should
rid of
have
it.
told me a sewing needle probably would have been better.
Huh?
A sewing needle would probably be better.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure your mother has one.
That's plenty. That's good. So here, I'll take that. You will not need this anymore. Unless you want to do an assembly line and do all four of them.
You want?
No.
I think you could do it much quicker now.
Yeah. Okay, so now what you're going to do, and I'll show you, we're going to switch over to KiCad, which is the printed circuit tool. All right, so now KiCad. Okay, so we're going to go to the schematic. And then we're going to go to interactive HTML bomb. Where is that? I think maybe it's only in the PCB. Here we go. Interactive bomb. Doesn't it open? There we go. Okay, so this is really cool. So this is how you're going to know what parts to do. So one thing that's a little tricky is, so hold on. I'll undo all of this. Okay, so this is maybe somewhere where you need to know your your SI prefixes. So when this says 0.01 microfarad, you need to know that 1,000 nanofarads is a microfarad, and then you're gonna go into this bin, and I can feed you the parts. And this is gonna be really, I mean, you'll be good at this. You're really good at this stuff. So this is so 0.01 microfarads is how many nanofarads? It's 10, right? Because uh, 10 nanofarads times 100 is one. Okay, yeah. So this is your first part. So you see at the top there, there's three.
What?
There's three parts. So let me show. Okay. Let's do this. All right. So these parts are like literally grains of sand. So only take exactly how many you need. Because otherwise they'll be lost forever. And there's literally no labeling on them. So after you're done with a part, put it back in its bag. Because otherwise, I have no idea what this is. Because look how small these parts are. Okay, so what you're gonna do is see how there's a
Tape.
tape. You're gonna pull off however many of this value you need. So basically, you're gonna see here 10 nanofarads. Is that 0.01 microfarad? I think that's right. Let's see. 10 NF in microfarad. 10 nanofarads is equal to 0.01 microfarads. So we got the right part, right?
Mhm.
You feel okay?
Yeah.
I'm getting antsy.
No.
Okay. So here's let me cap this stuff because we're done with this. Okay, so I feel like you can see, but see how there are 3 parts highlighted?
Mhm.
So you're going to be placing those parts onto those pads
Okay.
with the tweezers. And for all of these for all of these 2 pad parts, there's no polarity. Sometimes there's polarity where like the direction that you put it in matters, but in this case, it doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to switch it back over. And to keep track of what you've applied, you can add these check marks for placed, just so that you know.
Can you go back to the photo?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so you should see on here C6,
Yeah,
for
yeah,
instance.
that's what it's
Yeah.
memorizing. Okay, you could put it back.
Oh, no. You need to watch this.
Oh, well, I was confused. I thought you were turning it back on. That's why you changed it.
Oh, to the stream?
I don't know what
No,
you're
no,
doing.
no.
I was
I'm going to be
confused.
recording you placing it, but I'm going to have you looking at the Wow, you did such a good job with that solder mask or whatever stencil up.
I don't understand how I put these on.
Yeah, so do you want me to do one and I can show you?
No.
Okay. Oh, you can drop them onto the table too. That's what I do. They'll just fall out if you just drop them. Was that 3?
That's 2.
Okay, you'll need.
So
We'll
I'm
need.
confused. Where do I put these?
Okay, so you're gonna put them on C6, C5, and
No, I
C.
understand that, but where?
Oh,
exactly?
see how there's like metal on the sides?
Yeah. So does each go in each box?
Yeah.
Connecting the two.
Yes, exactly.
Equal amount in both.
Yeah, try to. Perfect. And then when it's down, you might want to squish it down a little bit. Just kind of tap it with your tweezer. Perfect. Yeah. And this, when the solder melts, it'll form a connection. So as long as you're like kind of seated, you're good. Perfect. And then one thing, it's really easy to, well, I'll just stop talking.
Okay.
Okay, give me a second to find your next parts. 100 picofarads. Okay, so what's the next part that we need to do? And you might want to check it off so that you remember.
C2, C4.
But what is the value of it?
1.1.
0.1 microfarad. So how many nanofarads is that?
I don't know.
It's 100. Okay. So here's your 100 nanofarads.
Oh. Oh.
Did you mistake a pad? Very easy to do that. Hi guys, welcome to my live stream. I'm Sarah. I like electronics. What's the next part you need?
One.
1 microfarad?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I saw that.
Having the paste in the sunlight, does that alter the texture of it? Does it dry it out?
Yeah, I might, but probably not that fast. I mean, like, I wouldn't wait hours, but 1 microfarad. These are in clear. And all of these, they should have tape exposed because I've already done it on one side. So you, cause it's kind of annoying to open up the tape. And if you want, after this, you know what we could do?
Cut off?
We could design a PCB because I have a PCB that I need to design.
Okay.
Do you need anything? You want some water?
No.
Yeah, and what you'll find, I mean, I love that you're doing it so detailed, but like it's pretty forgiving.
Yeah,
Like,
but I want to.
yeah, yeah, good. All right, so what's the next part?
1K.
1K. So for R, that's 1 kilo ohm. So just
Oh.
it doesn't say ohm, so you would have
Yeah.
no way of knowing that. But I'm just in case you're curious, the unit of measurement of resistance is called an ohm. You know, ohm.
Why couldn't they just put ohms in there?
I know. Well, I think it's because I didn't put the ohm symbol in,
Oh.
so it's my fault.
Okay.
But that you know the ohm symbol, right?
Yeah. So 1. I don't understand how you do the 0.1 to whatever.
Well, so 1,000 nanos is a micro, right?
Okay.
So if we want 0.1 micros, then 0.1 times 1,000 nanos gives you 100 nanos.
Okay.
Luckily, that's the only case where you'll need that. You're not going to need that for the resistors. It's just the capacitors. Ohm. Ohm.
Wait, am I doing them upside down?
What do you mean?
Here's black and white.
Oh, yeah, you want the white down.
Oh, okay.
I didn't even know that. Wait, can I? Oh, yeah. So you want the black up.
Wait, that's what I was doing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think the capacitors matter, but I honestly, truth be told, I don't even think the resistors matter either. But the nice thing about the black up is that you get the numbers. Because those four numbers tell you its value. Are you excited to have your own clock?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because this is going to be yours, you know.
Like that.
My birthday present is that you have to me is that you have to keep the clock that you make.
Okay.
You can show your grandpa. I think he'll probably think that double pendulum is still cooler than this, but this is pretty cool.
Okay.
You should do some ASMR sounds. Do some snaps. The most relaxing. The gurgles. Whoa. We just went from 2 viewers to 3 viewers.
Okay.
What's the next part?
$220.
Let me find the 220. $10K, 100 ohms, 220. Sarah,
What?
this feels labor intensive, but imagine if instead of the pads you had holes and you had to manually Dremel out each individual pad's holes.
Okay.
That's what I did with the synth. Synth was
Anything you can do, I can do better.
actually true.
Who sings that?
I don't know.
Is it Shirley Temple?
Shirley Temple made music?
She sang. Do you even know who Shirley Temple is?
I thought she was like a child actress.
Yeah.
Not to get your attention to detail going, but for some of them you put the number up and some of them you put the number down.
Oh yeah, but I can't tell because I have astigmatism, so they all
Okay.
look the same to me.
Yeah.
And I haven't gotten any prescription. It's been like 9 months since I've gotten it. No, it's been five months. I got my prescription back in March, and I still haven't ordered the glasses. So, I don't want to be a stickler for, but I just wanted to let you know that,
Well, in some cases it would matter.
1M.
If you were putting a 1M.
If I were putting a what?
If you were putting a diode in, it would matter.
I don't know what a diode is.
It's just a diode is like something that allows electricity to flow in only one direction.
Oh, but that's not the case here.
No, it's not. 1M is an R.
R5.
What would I use the 1M for?
R0805.
Yeah. Forget what the Can I look at the computer really quick?
Mm-hmm.
Forget what the 1M is for. R5, you said?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do Control F, R5. Oh, okay. What is this for? I need to remember, this is in the monostable. Oh, I think that's just the debounce. That's just part of the debounce time constant. Okay. All right. Oh wait, you need the bomb. You need bomb. What's next?
LED.
Oh, nice. Oh, skip those. We'll put them in after. Because those are through holes. See how there's holes there? We're not doing any of those. Okay, 555.
Yeah.
Okay, the 555. So there's a trick to these. Switch. Okay. So the trick to these is that it matters which way you put them in. Because you see how there's two possible orientations that you can put them in?
Mm-hmm.
So let me just grab one. I'll grab 1, 2, 3. So these are kind of the brains of this whole chip. This is kind of the most important part of the chip, or the board.
Okay, I understand.
Okay, do you see how there's a dot?
Yeah.
So,
This dot goes there. This dot goes there. And this dot goes there.
can I see one of them?
This is how it's gonna look, right?
Yes, but do you see so you saw the dot?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, U1, that's correct. U2, that's correct. U3, that's yes. Yeah, the important part is just making sure the dot, because otherwise the pinout is different.
No. It was really hard to see. I feel like the legs are so
Yeah.
like blend in with all the background.
Oh.
I like can't see anything. This isn't a good job for me.
Yeah.
Everything's
Do you want
blurring.
me to do these? I'm happy to do these parts.
But then it wouldn't be my clock.
I also have a microscope you could use.
That's good. I just really need to get mini prescription.
Okay.
I'm never looking at anything this small.
Yeah, I know. This is like so small. It's like
It's really
bro,
difficult right
I
now.
told you the story. Like I got this box, I opened it. I'm like, wait, I thought my PCB was gonna be like this big.
I know. I got your paste on me. Okay. TC6615
Oh, so that has through
point
holes in it.
0. Oh.
So skip that one.
XL74L504.
74LS04.
74L. Oh, is that an S? 04.
04, okay. Here's the 08, the 32. Here's the
I'm gonna
04.
need the 8 and the 32 in a
Yeah,
second.
I'll
too.
just give those to you as well. And these, I forget if it's tricky to figure out which side is which. I think it might have just been the 555s that I was confused about. Yeah, see how they have an indent at pin 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's... So the indent goes with the dot. I might even keep yours and give you mine.
That's mean. I know this.
Guess if it's for your birthday.
I'll
No,
just
no.
return your other gifts and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apparently
Did it go?
someone wrote chat messages, but I didn't see them. Oh, I didn't see Ole's message. For some reason, it got filtered out. Ole was in here. He said, "Crazy glow up on it. I love your new hair." That's hilarious. For some reason, I didn't see that.
That's silly.
I think YouTube filtered it. That's really good. This is gonna work first try. I bet serious money on that.
I'm gonna make sure I messed it up now. So you can give me that serious money.
Yeah. Okay, and so what these parts are, just in case you're curious, those 74 series are called logic gates. So you know, like all the truth table stuff. These are like ands, nots, and ors. So there's an or chip, an and chip, and a not chip in there.
Wow.
Okay, what's next?
811101.
Oh shoot. Okay, that's the switch. Okay, let me get you the switch. think the switches might be in here. The switches are pretty cool, actually.
Are they?
Yeah. I wish I had picked a bigger switch, actually, though. Here we go. Because this switch is so small. I mean, it works. It's fine, but... And it's cheap, right? I mean, the crazy part about this is all of these parts are measured on the order of, like, like a couple of cents. You know, isn't that amazing?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember specifically how much this was, but, and then, yeah, you can see that it's pointing out, right? You just gotta match it up.
The black part's facing down.
Yes. And what's nice is that there's a couple of pins on the bottom of this thing, so once you seat it, it's not going to move, actually. So once you get it right, it'll be in those pins. So right now it's not, but if you push it up, yeah.
I need quiet.
I think you need to push it up more. If it's not moving when you touch it, then it's fine.
It's not. That's why I'm confused.
Okay, yeah, you just want to get it in those locator pins.
It is. Can I stop? PJ 327A5S 5JJ.
Yes, but of course I know what that is. I know all these numbers and names. So these are headphone jacks. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
These also have locator pins, so that also, I mean,
Why is there two of them?
well, so one is an input signal and one is an output signal. If the input signal is high, then the clock stops. So basically, in the context of a computer, what that would mean is like once the program is done running, it will send a halt signal to the clock to turn off to make the computer stop, basically. Then the other one's the output, and that just gives you the clock output. Does that make sense?
Kinda.
Yeah, and then you should feel that it resists moving because those locator pins are in the right spot. But yeah, it just clicked in.
No, it didn't.
I think it did.
No, the right part was lifting up.
Oh.
I think this paste is drying out.
Is it?
Maybe. I don't know, for the longest time it was in direct sunlight. It looks a little dry.
Oh, it's fine.
You sure?
No, but... Oh, that's interesting. It might have. It'll melt, though. It's fine. It'll melt.
I know, I'm putting it back in place because you shifted it.
Yeah.
I don't like that. DC 00.
So, okay, so that's through hole, right? And then that's just a piece of artwork.
Yeah, but we need to do the through holes now, right?
No. So now it's time for... We're going to solder this. Because the thing is, we're going to put this on a heated plate.
Okay, so let's do it.
Okay. Let me go get the hot plate. So basically the plan is you're going to carefully, we're going to remove it. I mean, you don't have to remove the tape, but you need to get it off of there. So let me just clean up all these parts. And then we're going to put it on the hot plate. And then we're going to heat it up to like 160 C or so. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to and I'm gonna need to fix the camera too.
Can I put this on
Yes,
there?
yes. Okay. And we'll need a. Hopefully, it shouldn't just turn on, but.
It's off right now. Do you want to turn it on?
Beautiful. Okay. So I forget exactly how this thing works. I brought the manual and I already lost it. Yeah, I think we can figure this out. Turn it on. $165, is that what that says?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it should start heating up. So when it gets to what, so basically what you're watching for is you're gonna look for a pad, and when it gets shiny, count to like 20 or 30, and then you're gonna turn it off. And then we have to wait for it to cool down because it'll be extremely hot. So just be careful, do not touch this thing because 165C will burn you. I got impatient. I tried to take this thing off of here. That's kind of stupid. But see how fast it's ramping up? I mean, this thing is very fast hot light. Let me just make sure that everything is in frame and it looks good. See a video of my phone too. Can you tell me when the temperature hits like 150? Man, I remember having to hand solder every component, and it was so tedious. I'm so glad I bought this thing. You know, being able to make circuits is a pretty good thing. Getting there. Can you switch to OBS? Alt tab.
This thing?
Yeah. Oh, see, it's starting to smoke.
It's 140.
Any shininess? Can't really tell on my phone.
Can I tell?
I think the melting temperature of this thing is 138 C, so it should start to.
It's a little shiny, but not all of them.
Yeah.
Not the bigger ones.
Yeah, that because they have more thermal.
Mm-hmm.
How about the resistors? Do the resistors look like they're good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they.
150.
Okay. We'll go to 165 and we'll. Well, if everything looks shiny, but some stuff doesn't look shiny, right?
Mm-mm.
The headphone jack.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. No, that one does. Okay, so they're starting. You know, I saw this really cool video. This guy, he put a PCB on like a sheet of metal, and then he used like a milling machine or a drill press, and he just kept it on, and the friction like.
Shiny.
Okay, the only pad that's not good is that one, and then there's a couple on the headphone jack.
It's 155.
Yeah, we need those to melt though. They all have to melt it. I mean, you can do it by hand. Just use the soldering iron and melt it up real quick. But oh, that one just turned. That one just turned. Okay, I think we should turn it off.
You don't think we should wait a second?
Wait, oh yeah, okay, we can wait. All right, count to like 10. But they're all shiny, so should be good. Okay. Good stuff. Now we can just wait for a while.
I forgot the rest. So long, yeah.
Looks amazing. Every pad looks perfect. Good job.
What's my prize?
A little CT.
Yeah, babe. And how about a DC?
CT with a DC.
DC before CT or DC after CT?
Either way. But we're not done yet. You're not done.
Intermission. CT.
No, we're gonna finish this. Because then we can pack up. Yes, I will.
Who's the birthday boy? Who's the birthday
Me.
boy? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. How do you feel?
I feel great, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel a lot better than I did when I woke up.
Mm.
Let me go get an infrared thermometer so we can make sure that we're doing this. Your favorite toy. Yeah, there's no way that's right. Yeah, this thing says that this is like 100 or 75 F, but it's because it's reflecting. This thing is way hotter than that.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, big boy.
It's like 200 F. It's like hotter than boiling water right now. So did you have fun?
Doing what?
This.
I guess. It was fun because I got to do it with you.
Yeah, I agree.
My butt cheeks are showing.
Yeah.
Butt cheeks are showing. Where'd you get this hot plate? This looks sketchy.
Is it?
Did you get off AliExpress?
No, I got it off Amazon. I probably could have got it for cheaper off AliExpress, honestly.
Yeah. How much did you pay for it? 50?
Yeah, I did get it for 50, like 55 plus, but then plus tax.
AliExpress would have probably been free with all of your promotions.
Yeah.
If you play this game, we'll give you 200% off.
Mm. Look at this. There's a zipper to rip my head out. All right, let's see where we're at. I think we're ready to move on. It's still 150 degrees, but if we get it off of there, it'll cool down faster. See, is this hot? Okay. Wajamba juice. Wajamba juice. Wajamba juice. Wajamba juice. Alright. Not funny.
But you were just joking about it.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, you were. You were just doing the accent and
No.
everything.
Oh, ah.
Bubby, don't do that. Stop.
It's only 150 degrees. It didn't actually burn me.
Just stop it, Bubby. You're
Cute.
gonna piss me off.
Alright. Let me go get the third arm.
See, Bubby's tired. Just go take a nap.
I am tired.
Go take a nap. What? Yeah, it's not so funny anymore, is it?
No, it's enough. Alright, let me go get the third arm.
What?
I'm gonna go pee really quick and then we're gonna finish this and then we can CT. Oh, yeah. Oops. Okay, so here's the plan, okay? Get ready. Last thing you have to do before we test this thing, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so. How does it look? Looks good?
Yeah.
Looks great. Alright, so. Go back to the HTML bomb.
Me?
Yeah.
This thingy?
Yes. Okay, so which parts did we not do?
We need to do LED,
Okay.
and then we need to do. Should I name the rest?
So let's do those guys first. So that's the push buttons. Let me find the push buttons. So the LEDs are here. You get to choose the color. that you want on each of the four. I will show you those. So LED stands for light emitting diode. So they're directional. So if you flip direction, it won't work. It'll break. So I'll show you which way to put it in. I always forget the way, but okay. So you're gonna need these, and you're gonna need. And one thing that you're gonna want to do is so you're gonna actually have to lift it up, right? Because like let's do this part for instance. Okay, so see this part? It's gonna sit in like this. So it's gonna have to go through, right?
And then you
So
bend the thingies.
yes, you can bend the things. That's a good idea. I didn't do that. I did that only for the LEDs, but yes, bend them.
With my fingers?
Well, what I did this. This is probably not the best way to do it, but I just went like this, and I just did it from below.
Yeah, my fingers.
Okay, let me get you some. Don't use the tweezers. I'll get you some. I'll get you some pliers. Somewhere far along the field, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. You're bringing out a side of me that I don't know.
I still don't get how I'm supposed to bend it.
Can I do it?
Like that?
Yeah.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. I mean, look, it's gonna work no matter what. It's just a matter of if you care about it being flat. Like, do you care about it sitting like this versus this? Like, you probably want it to sit flat, right?
I just feel like I'm pulling them out.
Oh, are you?
I don't want to.
I mean, I have plenty of extras, so if you break it, we just have to get it back out.
Yeah, I'm content with that.
Okay, so, but now you need to figure out a way to solder it, right? So,
Oh.
so, you know, like this.
Okay.
I mean, but see how it's hanging a little bit? Yeah, so you can use another one to hold it up if you want. And then let me just get the shot. Is it no, it's okay. I'll just read.
Okay.
Oh, perfect.
I don't want it over my crotch.
Yeah. How's that?
Put it inward. Okay. Hold on.
Okay, tell me when it's ready, and then I'll.
It's ready.
Okay. Okay. All right. Let me just plug in the. Autofocus isn't working. In the night, you're the story. So it so we need to wait for that to heat up a little bit. I should have turned it on earlier, but I didn't. One thing we could have done that I'm realizing it is we could have put all of them in, and you could have bent them all and then done them all in one go. But the thing is that
can I not still do that?
You can still do that.
I'd rather do that.
Okay.
Just whatever. We can just do this one, and then we'll do the other ones all together.
Oh, I must poke myself in the eye with these clippers. Ooh. Take it to the limit. Take it to the limit. One second, actually. This cable is kind of. It's always a. Just make sure it's still live. Okay. Good. Sometimes it disconnects weirdly. If it's like jiggled.
It's ready yet?
What? Yeah, it's ready. Here, stick your tongue out. Let's see if it's hot enough. Okay. Here, I'll have you take it out.
So what am I doing?
Okay, so you're soldering those three pins in there.
Are they supposed to go flat?
What do you mean?
The pins? Are they supposed to be flush with the board?
No. No, as long as you're making electrical contact.
So this just needs to go on the outer part, securing them in?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, just be patient.
I have to stand up.
Yeah. But once you have one in, you can take it down because it's locked in place, right? So you could put it on the ground now and just finish it off. Oh, there you go. Now it's feeding. Yeah, there you go. That's good. That's enough. That's enough. That's plenty. Okay, good job.
Right. This one's not everywhere, is it?
That's perfect. That's plenty.
But it needs to look nice.
Okay, yeah. Did you see the new Bamboo Labs printer release?
No, why would I?
It's so sick. Okay, what part is next? It's just the LEDs.
Wait, which one did we just do?
We just did the power jack DC1. Okay, so you need one of these.
Which one's this one?
That's a U8. And then do you want the other one? Do you want to do them all at once?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the push button. This is U3. And then you have your choice, Sarah, of which 4 LEDs you want. You can pick any of them out of here. So you get to make it look nice.
We're doing this is U8.
That is U8. Luckily, there's nothing of the same, so if it fits, it's correct.
We should go mini golfing.
Yeah, totally. I'm down. That sounds fun, actually.
I'm gonna take you out to dinner.
And then you can help me make my video.
Okay, I'm gonna take you out to dinner.
Yes. Oh, wait, actually, you know what? My parents wanted to as well.
Oh, okay.
Actually, tonight would be a good night because my dad is free if we did the thing.
What thing?
Where we pay for them.
Okay. Well, I'll just pay them.
Well, you don't have to pay for them.
It's your birthday.
Okay. I mean, yeah, if you want.
Plus, where are we going? Like Thai Jasmine
Hmm.
or Merit?
Let's go to Thai Jasmine.
Okay. Yeah, if it's Thai
Because
Jasmine.
my dad told me this morning he's free.
If it's Thai Jasmine.
Can you mute? Just see that button like on the mic, the green button. It's like on the base here. This button. Just tap. It's red. I'm gonna get you some snips. You're gonna need some snips.
What are some snaps?
Like cutters. Not for those, but for the long legs of the LEDs.
I don't like how this isn't flat. I know it doesn't matter. But it matters to me.
Yes.
It's not even working. Is it even on?
Yeah. So what's the maximum here? I'll turn it up even more.
It's okay. I've just been holding it. It's not doing anything. Okay. I get to pick the lights.
Yes. And then I'll show you which direction it needs to go in. And note that even the white ones, the clear ones, they have colors. So if you want it clear and then only to light, which honestly I wish I had done because I kind of don't like how noisy it looks when things are on. Or off, when things are off.
How many do I need? 4?
You need 4. All right, so here's how this works. So you have your square. The square is called the cathode side, and it's the short leg. So make sure that the short leg goes into the square ones. That's all. That's it. And then you can bend the legs and flip it over and then solder. And just for reference, so this one, this is the true output. That's the important one. That's like the actual clock output in case you care. This is the astable one. That out 2 I think is the monostable one, and then that 4th one is the selector.
I need water.
I got you. You want ice?
Okay, just a little bit. So you said to bend and snip?
So no, so bend it, solder it, and then I'll get you some snips when I'm on my way back.
Okay.
snips. Let me get the snips in the sink.
Okay.
Some more?
Thank you. You can leave it anywhere.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, I just don't want the tip. I'm put it down here.
I would prefer you put it up here so I can take a sip of it.
You didn't solder it yet, right?
Mm-mm. Don't
I
you have
think
to
what
get the
they meant is
snippers?
you could, well, that'll work too. But
I know.
You could have put the tape over the top of
Yeah,
them.
I understand.
Yeah.
But can you go get the snippers, please?
These cutters are not the best. You gotta get them like, well, you'll see. I need to get some nicer ones.
I want the light to fit perfectly. Bruh.
It's okay, these things are pretty strong. It's pretty hard to break them.
I gotta just do it one at a time.
Hey, Carlos. Pretty good, how are you? Nice. Making printed circuit boards, electronics. Mhm.
So annoying.
Getting it just right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
All right.
I'm a little dissatisfied with that.
Yeah, it's all soldered though.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to test it?
Yeah. Can I snip one?
Yeah. So hold the leads while you cut. I don't want them to fly. Well, you have glasses on, so you're okay. But those things can fly. Yeah, see, be careful. Hold them. Yeah. Next time I'll do surface mount LEDs.
Okay. All pretty now.
All right.
Can I not cut these two?
You can. Did it try to contain the, are they flying?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Well, why aren't you wearing glasses?
No, I mean, I'm saying the metal just gets everywhere, though.
Oh.
You want to clean up. What you can do is you can put your finger over it while you cut it. She, like,
Just needs to look really pretty.
yeah.
What are we doing after this?
I think we're going mini golfing.
No, I mean, like, after this part.
Oh, we're testing it. We're plugging it in, seeing if it lights up.
Okay. Okay. I think I'm content.
Turning off the soldering iron. Alright. Are you ready for the moment of truth? Plug that in. Make sure that red's going to red and black's going to black on my thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Now switch it.
What? Oh.
Now click the button.
Well. Yeah, guys, I did that. Hashtag women in STEM.
Women in STEM. Okay, so there's one other thing you need to do. You need use this thing maybe. So it's going slower. And it's going faster.
Sick, guys, sick. It's one.
Okay, well. Let's see how long was that stream? 2 hours, that's pretty good. 2 hours to make this PCB. Alright, click end stream, stop streaming.